friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. One of the most common questions that I get these days is Rajan, I have 3 to 4 lakhs rupees of capital. Can I start full-time trading? Or something like Rajan, right now I'm doing college and I would like to start full-time trading right after the college. I have a capital of 50,000 or 1 lakh or maybe 20,000. It depends on the person. And there is someone like I'm working currently in a government job, be it army or defense or somewhere. I would like to move on with my family and I would like to start trading. So these are the common questions that I get. So I would like to clear this queries in one video so that in case anyone asks me, I can just refer this video. The first thing is, in order to become a full-time trader, it is going to take you at least 3 to 4 years. So this is not like any other business where this is not especially like franchise business where you can just deploy 10 lakh capital and it will start to make money. It is not like that. Here you need some knowledge, you need experience. You are not going to make money from day one. I wanted to become a full-time trader in the year of 2016. Right after 2016 is when I passed out from the college, and I really wanted to become a full-time trader, and I asked many people about that, and they advised me not to do that stupidity. And the story is different, and after 4 years I became a full-time trader. So it took me 4 years, and despite learning the wrong things and despite wasting time, it took me just 4 years. So if you start with the right person, if you learn the right techniques, and if you have realistic expectation on a monthly basis, like 5 to 10% or maybe 3 to 7% a month, yes, you can do it at least, but it's gonna take like 3 years or something, but definitely not like 6 months or 8 months or even 1 year. I have not come across anyone who started from scratch and started making money from the day one or the month one. The reason why I'm saying that it's going to take you like 3 years is because first 2 years you're going to invest in learning, and you're going to learn no matter what. It's going to take some time for sure. Let's say you have learned everything in 2 years and you started making money. What you have to do is you have to spend at least next 12 months to 16 months testing your skill and see if the strategy works on all different cycles, because if the market is trending, your strategy may work only during the bull market, or your strategy may work only during the sideways trend, or your strategy may work only during the bear market. So you have to test it out yourself and see if you can withstand all kinds of market. And for me personally, I took like 12 to 14 months, and once I start to see a consistent income, I decided that I will become full-time trader in the year 2020 January. So 2019 December 31st was my last day in IT, and 2020 January is when I started doing full-time trading. So if you are a college student and if you want to become a full-time trader, what I would suggest is get a job that pays you well, because when I was losing money, the job that I was working on, it was paying me, right? So you need something, you need a cash flow on a monthly basis to learn, not only learn trading, but also whenever you're trying to trade and whenever you're trying to make some money, you cannot start just with one capital. You need a cash flow on a monthly basis, because many times you will blow up your capital and you need some cash flow. So the best way to start is to join a company, work for that, at least gain a 2 years experience, get more salary. That is what I did, and the job that I had was paying me well, and I was able to transfer all the money to the trading because of that. So what if you had no job, and if we had 1 lakh or 2 lakhs capital and you started from scratch, and most likely you will end up blowing up the capital when you're starting out, and definitely that's going to happen for sure. This happens when you leverage too much and you don't know what you're doing. I'm not saying everyone will blow up their capital. If you are expecting realistic return on a monthly basis, it's not a huge deal. So this is what I would advise the students: get a job, get a cash flow on a monthly basis, learn, and 2-3 years. Maybe you may think that 3 years is a huge thing, but when you are passing out, you are either 20 or 21. So by the time you are 25, you can become a good successful trader and you can start making money. But until then, don't don't waste your time. Don't think that you will be able to make consistent money from the day one. And as far as the working personnel are concerned, I would request you to start with the same the same technique applies for the working professional as well. It's going to take you 2-3 years, more than that, but the capital requirement would be more than 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs, because you have a family. On a monthly basis you would need a cash flow, right? So I would request to park 5 lakhs of your capital as a buffer, just in case if anything happens, or some month you may not make money, some month may be extremely bearish, or maybe some month you will be able to make only 1% or something like that. So you have to be ready, and you need to park some capital for urgent important things. Anything less than that, you can still do it. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's possible, but it's quite risky. So 15 lakhs capital, it is quite okay. So the more capital you have, the lesser the stress. You will have a peace of mind and you can trade easily.